So I just discovered how to do nail art with acrylic markers, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. These are the acrylic markers I bought off of Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can use any kind of acrylic marker. And here, I just thought I'd do a little experiment about what kind of surface would best take the acrylic marker. So I did a matte top coat, and then just like a base. The top coat works the best because you can also clean it really easily, and I'll show you guys how I did that. But I thought I would try the matte and base just to see what would happen. So I really like using the side with the brush tip because you can get fine line detail. You can get like bigger color swipes if you want. So all I did was just kind of do a little outline of what I was going to do, and then I'm taking my rhinestone glue here just to make it a little more 3D. And you'll see I'll do a flash cure just to make sure that it doesn't move and we have that nice round shape of the cherry. And I do fully cure them. I would not just flash cure nail art, so you make sure everything's fully cured, especially if it's thick. And once that's done, I'm going to go back in with my marker and apply the acrylic paint on top. And you'll see I made a little mistake there, so I'm just going to show you guys how I clean it with some alcohol. So just take a little nail art brush and I wipe it away with the alcohol. And on the top coat, it does really well, like coming off, but you can see on the matte coat, it really wants to stick to that surface. And even more so on the base coat, I do a little test there, and it is difficult to wipe off because of the inhibition layer. And now I'm just adding some greenery to my designs. I should also mention that you want to make sure that your paint is fully dried before putting any top coat or anything on it. It takes a few minutes depending on how thick you put on the acrylic paint. And here I'm just adding top coat to finalize my design and protect the artwork. And here is the final result of the cherries. And I really like using these markers for fine detail work, and also you can have lots and lots of colors without having the actual gel polish.